This one I got a call for AC not working. I talked to the guy on the phone. Now, usually when I call like this, I try to get as much information as the homeowner as possible. He says that the unit upstairs and the unit outside's not working, and there's water in the pan upstairs. So I asked him, you know, how long the system been in, anybody worked on it. He said it's been in since '04, and no one's been up in the attic working on the system upstairs in all these years. I asked him if he changed the filter. He says yes, he changes the filters all the time. So I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. I try to get as much information from the homeowner over the phone, so when I get there, I know what I'm dealing with. But you know, sometimes you can't get information from the homeowner, but it's always a good practice to do that. We'll try to get you some shots if it's something interesting, but that's what I was told, and I'm on my way over there. First thing I'll do is, you know, check, see if there's water in the pan, make sure the drains are all flowing properly, and the drain pan's okay, and the fan's working, check that. And then we'll get that up and running and check the outside unit. I mean, it might be low on Freon, it might have iced up. Well, we've got to do one step at a time here. Probably be hot up there. The baby dog is working again, yo. We're gonna start you a cheeseburger fun. Oh, yeah, next level. We're gonna start you a cheeseburger fun. A GoFundMe cheeseburger fun. What do you think? Oh, yeah. $6,500 cheeseburger for the man there. You'd love that, wouldn't you? Oh, I reckon you would. Alright, it's a good one. There is a switch there. That might be shutting it off. You see it? Could be this blocked. The line goes over and then down. So as far as you know, the fan wasn't running.
As far as I know, yeah, up here, when I came up here, nothing was running. But I don't know if it kept running. The other times I came up here, I don't think it was.
And you've been keeping the filter clean downstairs, right? It's a good one. No good?
No, I need a fly in.
You run out of cord?
3 flaws and just got another one. This is gonna be. No, I get enough to reach it. I just need a. Not so good. Yeah, it looks like it might be blocked. For sure. The drain's blocked. The drain's blocked for sure. This is kind of weird that this thing would be
I could probably get my little gun down in there and give it a little douche. Get this water out of here. Hot enough for you?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be murder today too. Seeing, I don't know how it is out there now. But
Yeah, just put that in. No, put that in there straight. That no. Put the pump hose in the pan straight, and then
straight?
pull the lever.
Oh, okay.
Pull the lever, and it'll suck the water up. And then you could, when it's full, put it in the bucket and push the lever down.
Right, like this.
Yeah, and that'll get the water out. This way here, you could be doing that while I'm trying to. If you don't mind.
No, I don't mind. Actually, there was a lot more of it in here than it was.
So what that's doing is that's pulling the water out of that pan, obviously, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got it plugged in there. I got my vacuum. I got my little attachment here. We'll see if we can pull it. Give it the old Gundy. So the pan so I vacuumed it from outside. That's the best way to get all the muck out of there.
Right.
We'll check the capacitor while we're here. Once we get it up and running here.
It's so hard up here,
How many buckets did you get out already?
Today is just what's here, but yesterday was like 3 buckets.
Oh, so you already did.
I was doing it last night.
Oh, okay. So
it's gonna
be all right then, for sure.
Yeah. No, I turned the switch off over here, turned everything off, and then I came up here and tried to. This thing was.
11.4. That's a 12.5. That's a 12.5, 11. Contact cement. Try to stick that back on if I can. I've already gave it a couple of... Try to give it a good... Let that dry. In the meantime, I could change the capacitor. It's on the low end, so we're going to change it. I had one in the truck, so we'll just change it. I mean, the thing's on the low end of what it should be, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Might as well change it, right?
Yeah. Then leave it, then after.
Well, we're here.
Something could happen.
Huh?
I said, yeah, I would do the same thing too if it's on the low end. I mean,
Yeah, it's on the low. It's on the low end, so let's change it.
Just be a matter of time.
Yeah, because they'll burn the motor out.
Yeah.
We don't want that, right?
No.
Alright, we'll get this thing back together. And so you think you got most of the water out? You should be fine then.
Yeah. This is dry anyway.
And you mean you've been staying up on the filters, you said, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I tried.
Systems
Like I said,
systems work pretty good though. You haven't really had any issues,
No,
right?
no. This is like I said. When this got installed, this is the first time somebody's checking it. So it's like 14 years, 13, 14 years. Nobody's...
Pretty good for a Goodman.
So you were surprised with that? You didn't see that?
Insulation falling off like that?
It's hot up here.
Well, it's not the most common thing that happens, but I can put it back. Try to put it back for you the best we can here, you know.
Right.
It really should be in there.
Yeah, once you put it up,
It should be. No choice.
yeah. Upstairs, not too bad. Other than that,
Well, as long as we're not up here too long, we'll be okay.
Yeah.
Be alright. Hang on a minute.
all right. still need your light, right?
I do, yeah.
Okay.
Just give me a minute till I
Yeah,
get
that's
everything
fine.
buttoned up, and then
Yeah,
we'll then we'll unplug it and we'll check it outside. Unit's been cooling fine. I mean, you haven't had any issues with that, right?
No, it's been, yeah, it's been cool. Yeah.
Yeah, so the capacitor, instead of a 12.5, it was 11.04, so it was a little, it was on the low side of the reading, so we just put a new one in there.
Yeah. No, he was sitting out there in the. That should be covered out there in the winter.
Condenser on the outside, just to keep the leaves out.
Yeah.
You want to color just the top with a piece of wood.
Just the top. Yeah, well,
Just-
that's okay.
just to
We've been
keep-
doing that.
Just
yeah.
to keep the leaves out. If there's no leaves, you probably don't. There's no trees back there, is there?
No, just in the other yard. But I mean, I do put a piece of wood in the winter
Yeah.
on top of the unit. With
Yeah,
the
it
brick
wouldn't
when we're
hurt.
Done.
I
That's,
mean, but that's
I've been doing that.
That's the theory. The theory is to keep all the debris out of there.
Out of inside. Yeah.
Blue oak condensate line, new 12.5 run cap. And there's the date. You want me to throw this out, or you want me to leave it here for you?
Yeah, I could chuck it.
Chuck it. Alright guys, you started it up, the fan's running. I'll go check it outside. Make sure that part's working. You changed the filters clean? Yeah. Yeah guys, it's a 3-ton. I did check the charge, it's fine.